Lithium Battery Power offers the most powerful lithium batteries on the market. Our products are supercharged to power your most demanding needs down to the last drop of energy. It takes power to get you where you want to fish, and there's nothing worse than losing power when you're out fishing. Unlike lead batteries that just can't hold their charge, our lithium batteries are built to last up to 10 times longer than lead. Not only are lithium batteries half the weight of lead batteries and a whole lot easier to carry, they have up to 10 times the life cycles, so you know they're ready to keep going again and again, year after year. You may notice that lead batteries start out strong, but then their power fades as the charge is depleting. This doesn't happen with lithium, where 100% of the power is discharged evenly over the life of the battery. As you have 100% depth of discharge, you can use a 50 amp-hours lithium battery in replacement for a 100 amp-hours lead battery, and the lithium battery will still come out superior every time. So right about now, you might be wondering how much power our batteries pack. Industry revolutionizing power, that's what. Because of all the life cycles you get from one lithium battery, over the course of time you would need at least 6 lead-acid batteries to equal just one lithium battery. All this equates to more time on the water, a lighter and faster boat, and worry-free batteries. Check out Lithium Battery Power today at lithiumbatterypower.com or call us at 1-833-BUY-LITHIUM.